How many times have you had a great idea for a video, but then you opened a complicated editor and just gave up? We've all been there. Editing can feel like a full-time job you didn't sign up for. But Google just changed the game. Imagine typing a simple sentence and watching a high-quality video clip appear out of thin air, all inside a tool that feels as easy to use as Google Docs. That's exactly what's happening with the new Google Vids updates. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Vids to create, edit, and share videos without spending a dime. Whether you're making a promo for your side hustle or a quick tutorial, this is the workflow you've been waiting for. Let's start with the big news, Veo 3.1. This is Google's latest video generation model, and it's now available to anyone with a Google account. Here's why this matters. You don't need a fancy camera or expensive stock footage anymore. You can literally turn a photo or a text prompt into a high-quality video clip. Right now, every personal Google account gets 10 free video generations every single month. Think about that. You could mock up a professional-looking flyer for a neighborhood party or a quick greeting card in seconds. It's perfect for those of us who have great ideas, but maybe don't have the pro skills to build them from scratch. Now, if you're looking to take things a step further, Google has some heavy-hitting features for AI Pro and Ultra subscribers. One of my favorites is the custom music generation powered by Lyria 3. We've all dealt with the headache of finding the right vibe for a background track and then worrying about copyright. With this, you just describe the mood, maybe uplifting family vacation or catchy birthday shout-out, and the AI composes an original track for you. You can generate anything from a quick 30-second clip to a full 3-minute song. But here is the real magic for those of us doing faceless content, AI avatars. Using Veo 3.1, you can now create digital characters that act as the face and voice of your video. This isn't just a static talking head either. You actually have directorial control. You can place these avatars in specific scenes, have them interact with objects like a product you've uploaded, and even change their outfits and backgrounds to match the mood of your project. It saves you from having to do multiple takes or even being on camera yourself, which is a massive win for productivity. If you're a power user, Google AI Ultra and Workspace AI Ultra accounts can now generate up to 1,000 Veo videos per month. That is a staggering amount of content you can churn out without ever touching a camera. The workflow improvements are where Google Vids really starts to feel like a pro tool for everyday people. They've introduced a new Chrome extension for screen recording. This is huge because you don't even have to open the Vids app first. If you see something on the web you want to capture, you just click the extension and start recording your screen and yourself immediately. It brings the recording studio right to your browser. And once you've finished your masterpiece, you can publish it directly to YouTube. No more downloading huge files, waiting for them to process, and then re-uploading them. You push it straight to your channel. The best part? It defaults to private, so you have total peace of mind to review everything before the world sees it. Google Vids is designed to be the intuitive, easy-to-use hub for all your storytelling. From birthday montages to professional tutorials, the barrier to entry has officially been dropped. If you found this breakdown helpful, do me a huge favor, hit that like button and share this video with someone who's tired of struggling with complicated editing software. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve on all the latest AI tools, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. See you in the next one.